In this video, we will talk about the application was unable to start correctly. Click OK to close the application. Method 1. Check file permissions. Right-click on the app. Select Properties. Click on Security tab. Here you need to ensure System, Administrators, and your account have full control. If not, then click on Edit. Select the account that does not have full control and update the permissions. Method 2. Run as administrator. Right-click on the app. Select Run as administrator. Click on Yes. Method 3. Enable legacy components. Click in Search. Type appwiz.cpl. Select Open. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Select Legacy Components and expand it. Check Direct Play and click OK. It will search the required files and install it in your PC. Method 4. Change value in SkipRearm. Click in Search, type regedit. Select Open. Click on Yes. You have to be in this location. You can copy-paste the following location from the description. Here, double-click on SkipRearm. Change the value data to 1. Click on OK and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix this error message. See you in the next video.